Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Kat.
Kat. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Good. And how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
6. Wow. Are you ready to do your test?
Yes.
Let's go, Kat. What letter is this?
K.
Letter K.
I. T. L. H. J.
Amazing. Okay, number 1 is letter
T.
Number 2?
H.
H. Number 3?
I.
I.
J. K. L.
Ding, 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 ding. Give me 5. Good job. Okay, Kat, let's look. What is the chant over here?
T. T. G. G. G.
Yes.
H. 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 Horse.
Yes.
I. E. Ink.
Woo!
J. Ch. Tour.
Wow.
K. Kick.
Yes.
L. Leaf.
Whoa, Kat, that was amazing. Good job. Okay, what animal is it?
It's an elephant.
Yes. And over here, what color is it?
It's blue.
Yes. What animal is it?
It's a monkey.
Good. And how many monkeys do you see?
I see 3 monkeys.
Yes. Over here, what animal is it?
It's a giraffe.
And how many giraffes do you see?
I see 2 giraffes.
Ooh, very good, Kat. What animal is it?
It's an ostrich.
Wow. And how many ostriches do you see?
I see 4 ostriches.
Woo! Amazing. And Kat, what other animals do you see?
I see a bear and zebra and tiger.
Wow, very good. And what color is the zebra?
It's white and black.
Yes. And what animals do you like?
I like ostriches.
Whoa, amazing. Kat, you're all finished. You did a good job. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah. Wow.